Long live Your Majesty, the King.
Yes, was saying is that we use sports as a weapon to fight against HIV by testing the young people here in the kingdom to making sure that they are aware of the HIV status. Anybody who is positive cannot participate, for example, in the Amasaza football tournament. The Amasaza football tournament was started just a few years ago, but the kingdom started it many years ago actually. That is the mistake that the EPS made. We had a Amasaza football tournament many years ago, but we were not consistent with it. But ever since we included it in our Empango activities that build up towards Empango, which is the king's coronation in English.
The moment you decide to participate in such an event, it's not that you just want to have fun, but it is a signature act that attracts more people to come and be part of these events.
Semerirwe muno abukuba omukama yatwikiriza ngo nawe najja kuvuga matoka z'empaka. Ibara lyange ne bagita amanyire Tadeo betu abakiro wingi bamanyire nka Taman Brothers nisima omukama waitu owatoro abukwikiriza kurora nawe najja kwetaba mu mpaka za matoka. Kandi interera abantu muije mukole sente.